located on Jacinto Street. And second half is on the way. Good, pinag-isipan yung trip. Pinigay kay Justine. Justine. Pinasay. Mario. Dribbling the ball. 15-second shot clock. Justine dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Chan. Tumira ng trip. Short. Pinasa kay Anjo. Kuya Anjo, pinasa kay Kuya Anton. Bringing the ball down. Kuya Anton. Kuya Bob. Three. Our score, 50-24. Malaki lamangan ng Team Green. Jan, pinasa kay Picoy. Picoy, pinasa kay Justine. 10-second shot clock. Tumira ng tres. No good. Iba ni Mario. Mario, pinasa kay Picoy. Picoy, ganyan from right baseline. No good. Ang tira ni Picoy. Kuya Anton, mutik na mabitawan ng bola. Nagahat ng papasahan. Nakita si Denzel. 30-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 43 ni Kuya Bob. No good. Rebound na. Last touch by Denzel. Watch ito. Pagporokin na text natin, James. Picoy ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Picoy na si up. Muntik na maaga pag-on. Foul rep. Number 18 ng foul. Referee timeout. Okay lang, Kuya Anton? Okay lang daw. Heart of the champions, Kuya Anton. Second personal foul, Mario. First team foul. Denzel, natagos sa kilala. Foul rep, 2 foul. 23. Hacking foul. First shot, Denzel.
Bente
Wala daw. Nawala na ni King.
Porto daw. Sato.
Second shot. No good day. 40 minutes na raw yun, sabi ni King. Nandiyan yung mapala ko yung guidance ng Justine. Yan, set the ball. Justine grabbing. Sabi na kay Chan, yan. Kuya Anton, sending the ball. Tinatay Kuya Anton. Anjo for three. Puro pa si Kuya Maki. 15. Justine drops the ball. Shoot there. No good. Time remaining 8 minutes and 1 second. Kuya Anton at Judge. Judge for two. No good. Rebound by Mario. Mario bring the ball down. Mario natin si Chan. Chan pick up by Umangga. Who foul? Judge. Francisco. Second personal foul. First team foul. Justine 3. Good. Justine. Kuya Anton, setting the ball. Kuya Anton, may Denzel, may Kuya Anton. Dali kay Kuya Anton. Kuya Bob. Judge. No good. 8 seconds to shoot. Loader. Second shot is good. Sub-rip. Kuya Joe in, Jan out. Our score, 56-29. Medyo makikita ang kailangan kabuli ng teamwork dito, pero kaya-kaya ng teamwork yan. Corner to the judge! No good na. Malakas na. Just team yung bumabara. Just team. So, in na. Oh! Kickball!
Judge, jump down. Nice shot.
Judge, tira ng tres, hindi na ulit. Ay, mamaya tayo na ito. 16 to shoot, corner 3, Kuya Bob. Is short naman. Foul rep, Luka, number 3. First personal foul, 13 foul. Just see, bring the ball down. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Now by Digoy on the right. Shot through is still good. Chan-Chan hinahabol ang bola. Chan-Chan nakuha na. Chan-Chan driving. Chan-Chan hesitation. Umanggas kay Denzel. Reverse, no ball. Kuya Joe. Reset shot lang tayo. 18 to shoot. Just need to right. No good. Iba ni Chan-Chan pa rin. Foul rep. Foul. Foul rep. 23. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Kuha ni Justin. Justin, pinag-isipan ko ng gagawin. Justin, Jumberg, sa kaliwa. Actually, like that. Foul rep. Grabbing pala. Grabbing yan ba, Justin? Kala ko rin eh. Dead ball good. Jump! Ay! Time out! Ay! Nag-jump na. Yeah, Tom, bring the ball down. 18 second shot clock. Binigay ko Kuya Noy. Noy, kaya sa akin Kuya Boss for 3. Time out! 5 minutes, 4 seconds remaining. Third quarter. Team red. Oh, umabot. Jessic. Sayang. Good. Justin to right. Number 12.
Nais ko kasi first quarter nag-vlog naman.
First personal foul. Penalty.
Gano'n lang din sir. Gano'n lang din yun.
First shot is good by Chan-Chan. Second shot. No good. Rebound ni Chan-Chan. Chan-Chan, naku, binigay ni Digoy. Foul rep. Penalty tayo.
Graduate na.
First personal foul by Kuya Kai. Penalty rep.
Graduate kay Magallanes.
First shot is good by Digoy. Second shot. No good. Rebound Cedric. Sub-rep. Sinasakay Justin tumanggap ng bola. Justin, grabe na ba? Sinasakay Chan-Chan. Communication. Let's go.
Ayos ba?
Our score, 59-31. Ito na! Our halftime show sana, Tuesday! Chan na kami papasahan. Nakikita si Justin, grabbing. Power, who's foul? 26.
Ano yan?
Second personal foul.
Nananakit eh. Nananakit na lang eh. Hoy!
Nagsalute na si Kusei. Uy, nag-jutsu ba? Jutsu. Naruto. Uy, nag-Naruto siya.
May kumakanta? May kumakanta? Patay mo mamaya.
Matapos. Our score, 33-59. Yes, Don, sending the ball behind like Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike. Back to Edson. To Cedric. Nabitawan ng bola.
Bakit? Baterya, baterya. Off mo, tapos on mo.
Hoy, tama po ito ha. Tama po ito.
Just go.
Low. Back to the ball game. Three by the scene is good. Our score, 39.
Saba. James.
Good for you. We're going to grab the end of the scene. 10 seconds to shoot. You're much grabbing the ball. No foul is called. Rebound away again. Foul. Who's foul? 43. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team red. Bonus shot is no good. Rebound pa rin ni Wewe. Gusto niya 4 points. Then ball quick. Justin bringing the ball down. Justin. Pull up for 3. Is good. 42-63 in favor of Team Green. This Cedric. Akin na raw to. Nabitawan ng bola. Dato ni Bigoy. Bigoy driving the ball. Bigoy. Sakit na rin daw to. Eurostep. Suwabe. Kuya Mike, bring the ball down. Kuya Mike standing up. Crossover, offset, reverse, it's no good. Buwan ni Mario, buwan ni Steve. Steve yung lumabalik. Steve, bring the ball down. Pinikat 3. Pinatay Mario, dumuray. Balik kay Justin. 11 to shoot. Justin, nilawahan na ng bola. Hindi ng foul, natawag. Nakuha ni Bigoy.
5 seconds to shoot.
2, 1. Good. Time out down. Time out. Our score 63-46. In favor of Team Green. Bigoy pass to Chan.
Hoy, bola!
Back to Bigoy. 15 second shot now. Nakuha ni Bigoy. Big! Bigoy! Outlet pass to Weber. Nagpalakas na lang. Time remaining 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Okay. Jordan Clarkson nasa kabila eh. Jordan Clarkson, nasa kabila.
Pwede ba yan?
Ha?
Pwede ba yan import?
Pwede. Anti-passport eh.
Igor, bring the ball out. Igor. Pass to Mario. Mario. In the legs, I think not. Back to Igor, 14 seconds shot clock. Pinasa kay Kuya Joe. Kuya Joe, play. Drive. Traveling with no passport. Right on visa. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining. Third quarter. Ganto. Pinasa. Oh, hindi niya pala pinasa. May ganito doon. Kuya Bob. Grab the ball. Move there. No good. Di ba ni Chacha? Chacha, bring the ball down. Chacha. Chacha, bigay kay Justine. Justine. Justine, hindi mo gagawin. Tumray siya. Bam! Who's our rep? Number 12. Second personal foul.
Cedric.
Penalty tayo, rep, ha?
Penoy. Mario, dito ka wala, may pass break sila. Beast, too big beast.
What?
Ha?
Hoy! Dito ka sa lubong, may pass break sila eh. Sa lubong ka dito. Wala, dalawa na tao rito.
Pag na-shoot tayo, content mo. Oh, sige, pag-ikot mo. Subway! Out and pass to Kuya Bob. Salo niya ang bola. Kuya Bob ngayon, nag-uubos ang oras. Cedric ngayon, tumagat ng bola. Cedric, humingi ng screen kay Denzel. Hindi na ginamit yung screen na yun. Right? Alright, who's down? First personal foul ni Bigor. Counted down. Counted. Bonus shot ni Cedric. No good. Justine, binababa ang bola. Justine. Foul. Number 3. Second personal foul. Penalty ref.
Pag ano kasi, pag penalty, do buzzer nyo. Dati alam mo na ipari. Pag penalty, binabuzzer. Nakabilis, dalawang mabilis. Dati ako referee.
First shot is good.
Wala na. Hanggang ngayon, no? Hanggang ngayon.
Hindi, coach naman.
Second shot
Mamaya, kumili
is
ako.
good. Tapang 8. Ayun, ito si 50 seconds remaining. Our score, 65-50. Nabawasan ng team ng team green. Pero tingnan natin si Quentin, wala. Hindi pa ni Pedro. The team bring the ball down with 36 remaining. The team, inatake kay Mario. Mario, layup. No good. Score. Oh, nakuha ni Mario na save. Nakuha ni Quentin. Bigay kay Wewel. Wewel, 2v1 situation. Natawag ni Cedric. 3v1. Maganda si Cedric. Diba ba? Ano ba? Ang niliwa ni Cedric. Kuha ni Bicoy. 8 and second shot na. Shotgun grabbing. No good. Put that. No good pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin to. 10 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Our score, 67-52. At mukhang kukuha ng last shot ang team 3. Pinasila